So, um, so the next part is introduction to parallel lines, transversals, and algebra. So the way you want to really look at this is, um, there's two different ways. One, um, first of all, we already know the line L is parallel to line M, and that line going through both of them is a transversal. So we want to set up equations. You have two options here. Either we're saying two things equal each other, or we add those two things up to get 180. One or the other. So we're just solving for the variable, right? So like I said before, I mentioned using the method where you have two parallel lines and you have one or two things going on there. Okay? Now I like to label all of my acute angles and all of my obtuse angles. This makes it easier for me to set up an equation. Here's this is an acute angle, this is an acute angle, here's another acute angle, here's another acute angle. These are the angles that look smaller than 90 degrees. While on the other hand, this is an obtuse angle. This is obtuse and this is obtuse. Now look at the other diagram. I'm going to label all my obtuse angles. Here, this one looks bigger than 90. This one's bigger. This one's bigger. This one's bigger. And this is the thing I know. I know that all my O's equal my O's. So if one of my O's is 65, then I know all my other O's equal 65. All my other O angles equal 65. All the other obtuse angles. If one of my acute angles equals 65, then I know all my other acute angles equal 65. So A equals A, O equals O. But A plus O equals, they're supplementary, they equal 180. So this is what I'm going to ask you to do. I'm going to ask you to label the angles, label the acute angles. And number one, this is acute. This is acute. This angle is acute, and this angle is acute. This angle is obtuse. This is obtuse. This is obtuse, and this is obtuse. So things we know. Do we have two acute angles, or do we have an A and an O? Or do we have two obtuse? Looks like we have two A's. So since all my acute angles equal each other in parallel lines that are cut by transversals, I can set up this equation. I can say 58 degrees equals 5x minus 2 degrees. And then I can solve for x. We're going to do this again. So add 2 to both sides, right? 60 equals 5x. That means divide both sides by 5. And x equals 12. Here is my answer. X equals 12. So make this smaller. Make this smaller. Sorry. Didn't mean to do that. Definitely don't want to do that. Yeah, that's what I want. Smaller. Move it over here. Alright. Now let's look at number 2. Label all your acute angles. Label all your obtuse angles. So this is acute, this is smaller than 90, this is smaller than 90, this is smaller than 90, this is smaller than 90. Alright? I don't see any numbers by the acute angles. Here's an obtuse angle, here's obtuse, here's obtuse, here's obtuse. I have two obtuse angles, so I know that O equals O. That means 16x plus 22 equals 134. Alright, if you struggle with algebra, want to get the x term by itself and combine the like terms, I'm on two sides of the equal sign, so I'm going to subtract 22 on both sides. 16x equals 134 minus 22 equals 2. Sorry, 2. This is 1. 112. 112. 112. So 16 divided by 16 on both sides, 112 divided by 16, I get x equals 7. Here's my final answer. X equals 7. Alright? Well, I want to make it smaller, but it's not going to work. Now, go ahead, label number 3, label number 4. I'm going to do those with you. So, number 3, here's an acute angle. Here's an acute angle. Here's an acute angle. And here's an acute angle. Now, my obtuse angles, I'm going to do them in right here. So this arrow is pointing here to this obtuse angle. 7x minus 1 is obtuse. This is obtuse. 125 is obtuse. And this is obtuse. Alright? So I have two obtuse angles, or two alternate interior angles. These are alternate interior. In fact, I'm going to go back and put the type of angles. These are corresponding. These are corresponding. These are alternate interior. Alright, so I have two O's. Two O's. That means O equals O. That means 7x minus 1 equals 125. That means I'm going to add 1 on both sides. 7x, this goes away, equal sign comes down, equals 126. Divide both sides by 7, and x equals 18. Here's my final answer. Now, the last one I'm going to do, labeling the same way, labeling all my A's, all my O's, all my acute angles, and then all my obtuse angles. Okay, so acute is 9x plus 2, acute, acute, acute. Now, my O's, here's my O. 133 is an O. O, O. So now, I have an A and an O. That means I'm going to use this equation. So I'm going to erase this right here. Okay. I have A plus O equals 180. Or, what's my A angle? It's 9x plus 2 plus, what's O? O is 133. This equals 180. So first, I need to combine like terms on the same side before I do anything else. So I need to combine 2 and 133. And I get 9x plus 135 equals 180. Then I'm back to simple math. Negative 135 on both sides. I get 9x equals 45. And x equals 5. My final answer. So you're going to do the rest of those. I'm not going to do them. And you're going to have a blast. So have a blast. You have what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do that. You can do that. If you do your A's and O's, in fact, let me do Yeah, you do that. You do that. All right? Ask me for help if you need help with 9 and 10. Okay? Okay?